Hey everybody, this is ChronicHandz here, and I'm bringing you another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to download, install, and use some of the basics of Google Chrome. Basically, Google Chrome is a web browser just like Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox, and it's growing in popularity all over the world. So let's get started. Just for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Mozilla. So open up your web browser. Yeah, obviously I'm using Mozilla because usually I'd be using Chrome, but in this tutorial I'm showing you how to download Chrome. So yeah, that's pretty much the reason why. It's pretty slow loading Mozilla for me now. So yeah, when you open it up, go into Google and type in Google Chrome and search that. And it will come up with the download. I'm going to be showing the download for Windows computers. If you've got a Mac, I'm sure you can find out how to do that for yourself. It'll probably be the same principle. So if you're on Windows, click on the first thing that comes up. It's www.google.com/Chrome, and you'll see this page come up, and in the slightly to the right you'll see download Google Chrome. Yep, it's free and it's for Windows XP Vista or 7. You can learn more about it here, but going straight to the download, and there's the terms of use. And optional, help us to make Google Chrome better by sending usage statistics and crash reports automatically to Google. To be honest, you can do this if you want. I did, and it's nothing else really. So yeah, select that if you want, and it will come up with the automatic downloader. Now I've already got this, so when the download is finished, usually what would happen is it will open automatically to a Google homepage, and you get started like that. But I've already got it, obviously. So we'll just wait for it to download. Whilst we're waiting for it, I'll ask you guys a question. In your opinion, what's your best internet web browser and why? Post comments in the comment section, and I'll have a bit of fun reading them, I guess. Also, subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and stay tuned with my channel. Lots of videos coming, seeing as it's half term at the moment. And so yeah, so Google Chrome is installed. You come up with this message, just close that. Usually what will happen, yeah, like I said, it will come up with the normal web browser, but for this purposes, this is what it will look like. It will open up like this. I think it comes up on the Google homepage because that's the default setting for what it comes up as. Now, you've installed it. How do you use it? Well, firstly, if you look up here in the top right, up here, there's the normal stuff. Just some options, shortcuts, zoom. You could use that, but I like to use the shortcut control and then plus twice to zoom in and minus to zoom out. But you can work it out for yourself. Yeah. That's the normal stuff, and then the option settings, new tab. You might want to learn these shortcuts, they're quite useful. New window, you know all this. Full screen, history, bookmarks, downloads, extensions. Yeah, all of that. There is one thing here, options, and it basically tells you, well, you can set up how you want Google Chrome to work. On startup, open the home page, reopen pages that are last opened, and open the following pages. So basically, when you click on Google Chrome, this is what you want it to open to when you first click on it. So I put mine to pages that are open last, just simply because I don't lose them if I've got something important on there. If you open a second window, though, it will always open on the default, which is google.co.uk. You can open it on the home page, which is also Google, and or you can select a certain page if you want, and add it to there with the URL, or you can just simply go use current if you're already on that page. And you can do it via this as well. This is for your other tabs, I think. If you open up another window, this is what it'll come up as. I just left mine at default, and the search engine that you're going to be using, and so yeah, that's that for that. And there's more options up here. You can synchronize your bookmarks from another web browser if you click on that. Yeah, your bookmark sync from your mail. I haven't really used that, to be honest. I just find Google Chrome so much simpler and easier to use and a lot quicker. You can offer to save passwords and save text forms to make it easier next time you use them. Import data from another browser, that's the same pretty much. So if you're using IE Internet Explorer or Mozilla, then yeah, that's where you can import data from. Or you could get themes as well, and it will open up a link to these themes. They get updated recently, I think. I mean, I haven't used them, but if you want to personalise yours a bit more, then yeah, that's what you can do. And then this is the most personal stuff. You can clear your browsing data. It will come up with this thing. You can select what you want, so you can remove cache, browsing data, download data, cookies, all of that stuff. Content settings is basically just if, say, you want a download, it will tell you if it's going to do that, or how can we put this? How vigilant your browser is going to be with certain pages and stuff like that. But you can play around with that if you want, and have a read of that yourself. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, you can play around with this, and that's Google Chrome for you. Overall, in my opinion, I think it's the best web browser. It's the quickest, simplest, and it's free. And it's just an overall great program. So thank you, Google, for this brilliant web browser. So this has been ChronicHandz, or Tim, with another tutorial. Hope you enjoyed, hope it's been useful, and stay tuned for more. Please read the description, comment and subscribe, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.